All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol WKHS, Workhorse Group Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel. And to my subscribers, welcome back. And let's jump into this chart. So, Workhorse has had a healthy rise. I mean, we've been seeing it for weeks now, and even for the last month. It all started back in August 17th, where it started to rise up, level off, rise up, level off, rise up, level off, and then spike up and so forth and continue the volatility of the market, right? So Workhorse has hit new highs and it closed out at 31.10. So we're definitely going to want to see what is important for Monday's trading day. So let's zoom in here and see what is going on. So very healthy trend here, even with low volume. I mean, Workhorse had only 38 million. I mean, it's been hanging out between 25 million to 50 million in the last couple of days, and every day it just continues to be dominated by the bulls. And I really appreciate seeing this. I always point it out when I have the chance, and the resistance levels are turning to support, specifically here on this ticker symbol of this chart, excuse me, not ticker symbol, this candlestick. I was thinking ticker symbol. Candlestick of the chart. It was used as support, and from that point forward, the stock started to rise. So, very important there how you could see that the support was created after breaking the resistance, and this stock started to work its way up in this direction. So, great stuff. It's really good to use chart analysis as one of your resources. I wouldn't say it's the only resource you should use. It's always good to look and find other information. But the charts, man, they show you all the information you need and they don't lie to us. They are very clear, and it's awesome to see the charts actually do what they intend to do, and they 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 just very clear. I mean, there's nothing misleading about charts. Charts are the the creme of all of this. I mean, way back before any type of analysis was done, people would look at charts, and I think that's the old school way, and it's still the way to do things. And it's not predicting; it's literally, checking it out, looking at what's going on, and if that happens, if the resistance breaks and it turns into support, it just means that it's gonna go up. I don't know how up it's gonna go, but usually it has a breakthrough that creates this type of direction. And if obviously the support gets broken through, then it's gonna start to work its way down. So it's pretty cool stuff, pretty neat stuff to see that the charts definitely feel everything that we look for, and it shows it to all of us. It fills it out, and it just definitely um, relays that information right back to every investor that is looking at it. So let's move our resistance levels and support to their new locations, and we're gonna dive in here to this chart and see what is going on for Monday. So obviously we've hit new highs here for Workhorse. Workhorse has not seen these highs before, and it's going to be very important that if they got rejected here at this resistance level that we're about to look at, that they break through it to continue the momentum. Now, the support level was touched twice and it was broken through once. So the lowest point here is 28.91, but since it's so close and this was touched twice, I want to talk about how important this support level is, and if it gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to what's going on in this chart. So our resistance level is 31.41. For the bulls to continue this momentum and move further away from the 50-day moving average, which is 28.18, I'd write that down. As long as we're above it, the bulls are in control. And if we break through it, the bears are starting to gain control. Once that gets broken through in a downward direction, the bears are starting to gain leverage. But as long as the bulls stay above it, and the one way to stay above it is by breaking through resistance. So as long as the bulls stay above it, they're in full health. And the first thing they're going to want to do to continue to work their way up to newer highs and move further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction is break through 31.41. Once 31.41 is broken through, this stock will start to see newer highs that it has not seen yet, and it will break through new resistance levels. And with the healthy gains that Workhorse has had, if the bulls continue to rally up and take full control here of this stock chart and this stock in general, they will continue to pull through resistance levels and bring this up to newer highs. As long as no bears or anybody starts fearing or taking profits and continue jumping in and believing in this stock will continue to rise. Now, on the other hand, we have what the bears want to do. And the bears are going to want to break through support. As I said, this is something very important. This support level was touched twice in this leveling off, and it got broken through once. So our support level is 29.05. If 29.05 gets broken through, I really want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to how this stock reacts if it breaks through that, and how quickly is it moving down, because there is a window between 28.18 and 29.05 to kind of see how this hangs out and what's going on. But the bulls are going to have to really come in strong and load up on stocks to recover this before touching the 50-day moving average to bring this one back up. But if the bears come in strong and they start getting close to the 50-day moving average and accomplish crossing it, I'm not saying that the bears have gained full control, but they are on their way to gaining leverage on the stock, and that's very important to keep in mind that the bears, by breaking through the 50-day moving average, are going to gain control. So this support level, I want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to 29.05 and bear in mind that if the bears cross it, how is it reacting? How quickly is it moving down? Are the bulls trying to reappear and bring this one back up? But as I stated earlier, for the bulls to continue this run, they need to break through the highest point this stock has reached, and that is 31.41. Very important. Break through it, turn it into support to continue their momentum and their rally to pull further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. If you guys found this video helpful and informative, as always, and you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. But don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications so that you don't miss a single video that I post. Share us with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And let's make some money.